how to qualify for high limit credit cards. Hi, this is Joe from the Credit Veteran Club, coming to you every day to bring you credit information that will give you knowledge, because I believe that everyone, I mean everybody, deserves to be equipped with enough information to take them to the next level. I was having a conversation with one of my brothers, and he asked me about credit cards. He said he was looking to get a couple of credit cards, and he was asking about some of the better ones he should get and some of the ones he should stay away from. I asked him about his credit score. He said it was 615. I said you should not get credit cards at 615. The two worst credit cards you can get are the 500 credit scores and 600 credit scores. Any card from Capital One Platinum to Capital One Bank will be garbage and have a high 30% interest rate. These are baby credit cards. If you can get to 700, you can get the big boys credit cards. If you add 2 or 3 trade lines to your credit, you can get the big boys ones. Anything from Barclays to Navi Federal Reward cards and American Express Platinum card. These are what you want to get. Let me ask you a question. If I say to you, I know what trade lines to add to your credit, and also how to get them at 75% off, and also how to get the exact ones, would you be interested? You see, nobody taught credit. No school taught credit. I don't know anybody who taught credit. I don't want you to get denied for credit if I have anything to do with it. You see, you will get coaching, mentorship, and accountability training with me. Nobody cares about your credit, but over here we do. I care about your credit score because I want to get you to A+, because that's what I'm here for. With my help, you get mentorship, you'll be getting the big boys credit cards, the business cards, which now means you have personal and business credit. And this is just by having an LLC. You'll be making money or not. You aid to yourself and your family to crush your goals and to supercharge your net worth. Call now to boost your credit score above 800 to be approved for funding. Please call 678-528-26-2579 for membership. Click the notification sign here, bell, get the videos when they're out. Thumbs up, like it, share. We'll see you there.